abortion rights in the United States hopes to put this question in front of the courts: when does life begin? Missouri has joined a wave of conservative states putting tough restrictions on abortion after lawmakers in both the House and Senate passed a strict bill that bans performing an abortion at 8 weeks of pregnancy.
I do believe that they're trying to go on a path that will totally dismantle Roe v. Wade.
It's just the latest bid by a red state to prod the more conservative U.S. Supreme Court to reverse the landmark ruling that legalized abortion.
Should a child, a life inside a mother's womb, be killed due to the actions of its parents? The simple answer is no.
The ban includes exceptions for medical emergencies, but not for pregnancies caused by rape or incest. During a debate to help pass the legislation, a Republican lawmaker talking about the sexual assault cases he handled as a law enforcement official used the phrase consensual rape.
Because most of my rapes were not the gentleman jumping out of the bushes that nobody had ever met. That was 1 or 2 times out of 100. Most of them were date rapes or consensual rapes.
He later told reporters he misspoke. The Missouri bill now awaits the signature of the state's Republican governor, who has already pledged to sign it into law.
Well, we will sign it, and I've always supported the pro-life movement here in this state. I think the majority of Missourians do support that.
That legislation coming just days after Alabama imposed a near-total ban on abortions.
But why you all want to control our bodies?
The most restrictive legislation in the country. Though laws banning abortion in many states set up a series of legal battles that could lead to the nation's highest court, none of them have taken effect. And they will face many likely legal challenges to prevent them from being enforced, which means the status of abortion remains what it was, at least for now. States that have already passed anti-abortion bills say they welcome the legal challenges in the hopes that the Supreme Court will at the very least undercut Roe v. Wade. At the same time, other states are considering some type of legislation that would protect abortion rights. New York, for instance, has already passed a law that would protect women's access to abortion and doctors from criminal prosecution.